Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Of course, I'm your girl Kira. Hey girl if you're an old friend, and welcome if you ain't never been. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day, typically when I am on a diet. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And be sure to stay until the end because I will be doing a weigh-in and a measure of my progress. So let's go ahead and get straight into breakfast. So first up, I have these turkey sausages here, and I'm going to cook me up one of those along with some pancakes. So I have this pancake mix here from Protein World. Be sure to check out a link down below. I have a discount code where you can use and get 40% off any of their products. So be sure to check that out. And excuse the wetness on the counter. I had just sanitized, but it had not completely dried as of yet before I set the products on the counter. So yes, let's go ahead and mix up this pancake mix. And I'm not really that much of a big breakfast eater, so I'm just gonna fix me just a little bit, just enough for one serving. Okay, so I'm going to be using my griddle today, and I did lightly grease it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to set my sausage on there first, let it do just a little bit of cooking, because I personally like for my sausage to be just a little bit on the burnt side. I think it tastes better like that. So once I get the sausage going and cooking for a little while, then I'm going to go ahead and add my pancakes. And again, like I said, I'm not that big of a breakfast eater, so I'm going to be making some really small pancakes. Okay, so my pancakes are done, and the sausage is not really burnt enough to my liking, but I'm going to go ahead and get it anyway. And then I'm going to go ahead and fix me some iced coffee to go along with it. I add my sugar-free syrups and L-glutamine, as well as my sugar-free creamer. And then I top my pancakes off with my sugar-free syrup, and everything is ready to eat. And yes, I do use paper plates. If you got a problem with it, come on over here and wash these dishes up for me. Next, we're going to have a morning snack, and we're going to keep it pretty simple with this yogurt. And as you can see, it has 0 sugar, 0% fat, and 15 grams of protein. And I'm going to add this granola, which is also from Protein World. Be sure to check the link below. Sometimes I'll also add fruit on top, but today I just decided to keep it simple. Now it's time for lunch. So today I'm going to pretty much skip lunch, but I'm going to use this Slender Blend, which is a great meal supplement. So it calls for you to use almond milk, but I'm also going to add some ice and half of a banana. So now we're going to move on to my midday snack. So I'm going to make me a homemade Açaí bowl. So I'm going to start off with the base, and I'm going to blend up these fruits here. So I'm adding the peaches and half a banana to make it a little more sweeter. And I also have this 0 sugar juice, which also adds to the sweetness. And I pre-chilled my bowl to help keep the consistency of my base, and also do not use that much liquid so that you can have a thicker base. And here's the final result. I topped it with strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and granola. And this was so good. So now we're going to get into dinner. So I'm going to take this chicken breast and I'm going to season it up to my liking. And I actually just decided that I'm going to cut this chicken breast in half. So portion control is one of the main elements that I need to really work on. So yes, I decided I'm going to save one for the next day. And I'm going to pull out my George Foreman grill and grill up the chicken really nicely. And along with that, I'm going to steam me up some broccoli. And here is the final results. Normally I would use brown rice, but I didn't have any more, so I just used some yellow rice. Now let's get into dessert. So I have this Protein World mug cake, and it calls for you to use coconut oil. You're going to melt your coconut oil, but I just decided to use a little bit of butter in the bottom. So I melted it down. Then I'm going to add my scoops of mug cake and then add your almond milk. Then you want to pop it into the microwave for about a minute or so, and it should come out nice and ready. This mug cake was actually pretty good, had a lot of good flavor. It was nice and fluffy. I really liked it. So that is all for the meals that I have in a day. Now let's get into this weight. So as you can see, I'm down 145.2. And let's go ahead and measure this waist. So I did start out at 32.5 inches. So let's see where we're going to weigh in. So as you can see, I'm at pretty much 31.5. So that is 1 inch down so far. And here it is, a side view, and here's the back view. As you can see, I still have a little bit more work to do. And here's a before picture, and here is after. So you can see it is working, but I still have a lot more that I need to do. So go ahead and join me. Go ahead and order you some products. Look at my link down below and save 40%. And go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button if you have not done so already. If you would like to know more of my tricks and tips that I use to lose weight, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.